Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start with blending, so get your choppers ready. We're going to say the sounds, I'll say them, then you say them, and then together we'll blend the word. G, hug, t, caught, n, fin, n, man, n, fun, top, top, big, big, nut, ran, g. Dug. All right, now we're going to do some word roller coastering. So get your hand ready. The first word is bun. B-un. Fox. Ox. Fit. It. Tub. Ub. Lip. Lip. Bug. Bug. Tap. App. Pig. Egg. Mop. Mop. Sub. Sub. Good. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So that means I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop the word into 3 separate phonemes or sounds. Gum. G. Dad. D. D. Him. Lot. Lot. Sun. Cup. Up. Sad. Sad. Mix. Mix. Pot. Pot. Mud. Mud. Good job. All right. Get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. So I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then we'll change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is hug. Change to t. Tug. The word is ran. Change r to fan. The word is mop. Change to b. Bop. The word is luck. Change l to d. Duck. The word is nut. Change n to p. Hut. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we'll add the onset or the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is up. Add k to the beginning, cup. The word is at. Add r to the beginning, rat. The word is ought. Add d to the beginning, dot. The word is ut. Add r to the beginning, rut. The word is im. Add h to the beginning, him. Good. Last exercise, we're going to delete the beginning sound. The word is sag. Without s, the word is ag. The word is rock. Without r, the word is awk. The word is tub. Without t, the word is ub. The word is wig. Without w, the word is ig. The word is bus. Without b, the word is us. Good job, everybody.